Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today's video is going to be an attempt to film a London house tour. So I'm moving in about 6 weeks, so I figured I would show you my house where I live. The only thing is that there is so much noise going on right now. There is construction in the flat next door. So if you hear banging, that's what that is. And there is someone singing outside really loudly. So if they sing again, you'll have some free entertainment. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started. So I moved in here from, see the banging. So I moved in here last August, so I'm coming up on a year in this house. Before that I lived in Shoreditch, now I live Southwest. I love being in Southwest. You're close enough to London, to central London, without being like in the madness all the time. So I've been living in this house for almost a year now. I live with 5 other girls. I knew 2 of them ahead of time, and the other ones I met when they moved in, and it's been great living with friends. I really enjoy it. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you around the flat. I'm gonna show you my room first and give you a little rundown of where some things are from. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm gonna be starting a whole moving in London series, and I figured that this is the best video to kick it off because this chapter will end and a new one will start, and that's the corniest thing I've ever said. So let's get started. I'm gonna just carry my camera around and give you a little chat and show you around. So this is my desk area. So I have these 2 pictures from Desenio. I have some other ones in my room, and then I've got this great little letterboard from Primark. Pretty much everything on my desk is either from Primark or Flying Tiger. I've got these curtains from H&M Home. My bedding is from Urban Outfitters, but in America, so I literally flew to America and had it delivered to a friend's house, packed it in my suitcase to come back. This orange and blue one cushion are from Dubai, and the other ones are from Primark or H&M. H&M does really great little cushions. They're not expensive. Moving along here, I've got my watercraft that I'm obsessed with. That's also from H&M Home. This lamp is from Amazon. Great little full map of Florence. Then we've got some more Desenio prints, and this flower one, and this one are from my friend Jen. And my battery's about to die. This thing is from Primark. Flying Tiger. I got this mirror on Wayfair. And yeah, pretty much everything is from the same place. And then my little map. And I'm going to charge my camera now because it's about to die. So when you come out of my room, we come into a hallway. And the great thing about this house is that there is a ton of storage. So there's another cabinet up there. And then, okay, so this is my closet. It's a pretty good size. And again, they're banging from next door. They suck. It's been going on forever, and I'm very much over it. So, new closet. And then we come into the first bathroom. So I'm very lucky we have 2 bathrooms because there's 6 of us, so, you know, just like a standard bathroom situation. And then up this way we have 3 bedrooms. There's another bedroom up there and another bathroom up there. Then we walk down the stairs, and there's another bedroom there. Then we have a living room, which is storage for all of our friends who come by. It's a good sized space. These couches were here, so I live in a furnished house, so all the furniture is pretty much here. We've added a few bits. This room is great because it gets great light from the street. And now, with that annoying noise, we go into the kitchen. It's one of my flatmates. So we're very lucky. We have a really big kitchen, which is great because there's so many of us. It's got a full-size freezer over there. Caroline doing work over there. A nice kitchen table. Full-size fridge. And a nice little washer. The next part of the house, though, is the backyard. So we have a nice little garden here that we can sit at. And Kaylee's just doing work over there. And then got a dryer, which apparently is not a thing in the UK. And we've got lovely neighbors who make lots of noise. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. As I said, I have a ton of videos coming up about the process of moving in London. It's gonna range from finding a flat, how to do that, and moving in, and furnishing it, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, follow along with me, and I will talk to you soon. If you liked what you saw, please, as always, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.